In part C, it says allowance for doubtful accounts is $100 debit. So now it is telling you the same information as we were talking about allowance for doubtful accounts. It says it's sitting as a debit, which I discussed in the class. Why it sometimes becomes a debit, because our initial estimate for allowance for doubtful accounts is always an approximate number, right? So when it sometimes comes out to be eventually a debit number. So you can look at the notes from your class. So if it is 100 debit, then then remember what's the number that we calculated based on percentage, based off all the work, is 11,820, right? 11,820 is what's the allowance that we wanna see in the balance sheet. So when the information is that there's $100 debit sitting, and what we wanna do is we want to have 11,820 eventually, right? That's what we want to see here, 11,820 credit. So in order, if it's $100 debit, in order to make it a 11,820 final balance, we gotta put a credit of 11,920, right? Because debit is gonna $100 debit will reduce this credit, and eventually you will left with a 11,820 credit. So the journal entry that we have to book is going to be bad debt expense 11,920, and allowance for doubtful accounts is 11,920. So this will make your eventual balance of 11,820 as we saw it. Now that balance, that's the sitting balance, right? That balance is what's gonna will result in the same result. It will make this net accounts receivable of 558,180, right? So this is what we want to achieve. So remember, once we did the percentage calculation, we came up with 11,820, and that's exactly what we want to see on the balance sheet as an allowance for doubtful accounts, so that our net is 558,000 accounts receivable, right? This is what we want to see. So based on what is already sitting there in the allowance for doubtful accounts, we just have to book a different journal entry to get, so that our eventual result comes out to be exactly same, 11,820. Okay, thank you.